Hey there, get ready for something exciting. Samsung is about to reveal its newest member of the Galaxy S series, the Galaxy F55 5G, and let me tell you, it's packed with some seriously cool features. First up, let's talk about how fast this phone can connect to the internet. The Galaxy F55 5G works with both LTE and 5G networks, so you can browse, stream, and download stuff super quickly. Now, let's chat about how this phone looks. Samsung really went all out with the design of the F55. It's got a sleek and strong build, with tough Gorilla Glass on the front and back, plus a sturdy aluminum frame. So not only does it look good, but it's tough too. Next, let's talk about the screen. It's a gorgeous 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support. What does that mean? Well, it makes everything look really colorful and clear, whether you're watching videos or playing games. Now, let's dive into what's inside the phone. The Galaxy F55 runs on Android 14 with Samsung's easy-to-use One UI 6 interface. It's powered by a special chip called the Exynos 1480, along with a powerful octa-core CPU. That just means it can handle lots of stuff at once without slowing down. When it comes to storing your photos, apps, and videos, the F55 gives you lots of options. You can choose between 4GB and 8GB of RAM, and you can get up to 256GB of storage space. And speaking of photos, the camera on this phone is pretty awesome. It's got 3 lenses on the back, so you can take all kinds of cool pictures. And don't worry, selfie lovers, there's a high-quality 32-megapixel camera on the front too. And let's not forget about the sound. The Galaxy F55 has stereo speakers, so whether you're watching movies or listening to music, it'll sound amazing. Now, let's talk about how you can connect this phone to other stuff. It has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and a USB Type-C port, so you can easily connect to all your other devices. And finally, let's talk about the battery. The Galaxy F55 has a huge 5000 mAh battery, so it'll last you all day long. And when it's time to recharge, it supports super fast charging, so you won't have to wait around forever. To wrap it all up, the Galaxy F55 5G comes in some really cool colors, like ice blue, lilac, and navy, so you can pick the one that suits your style. So whether you're a tech nerd, a photography enthusiast, or just someone who wants a reliable phone, the Samsung Galaxy F55 5G could be perfect for you.
If it is worth the wait for my regular viewers, you guys have seen this, so just skip to the next video. But if you're new here, then hit subscribe now.
Mid-range phones, the Galaxy F35 and Galaxy A55. Take a peek at these leaked renders of protective cases for the Galaxy A35 and A55. These cases come in various styles, like Smart View Wallet, Standing Grip, and Silicone, each with different colors and finishes. What's fascinating is how these cases make the mid-range phones look almost identical to the flagship Galaxy S24 series, especially when decked out in these official accessories. You'll notice familiar design elements from the 2024 Galaxy A lineup highlighted in these images. For instance, the standing grip case might be exclusive to the Galaxy A55, featuring a strap kickstand hybrid design similar to the Galaxy S24 accessory with the same name but with distinct color combinations. One notable detail is the absence of the key island design element visible on the frame around the side buttons, making them look even more like the premium Galaxy S24 when encased. The Galaxy A35 and A55 showcase Infinity O displays with slightly thicker bezels compared to flagships. The back panels reveal individual circular cutouts for the rear-facing cameras and LED flash, adding a splash of color with options like black, white, purple, blue, gray, and lime for the cases. So, what do you think of these mid-range phones resembling flagships? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting tech updates. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one. Now, let's talk about the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. If you've already watched this part, feel free to skip ahead. The Galaxy A55 is on its way, and we've got all the scoop you need. Samsung's Galaxy F50 series has been a hit in the smartphone market, offering impressive features at a great price. Now, following the success of the Galaxy F54, Samsung is gearing up for the release of its successor, the Galaxy F55. Typically, Samsung unveils its Galaxy A series phones towards the end of the first quarter, so we can expect the Galaxy A55 to make its debut around March 2024, following the release schedule of its predecessors. While exact pricing details are scarce, considering past generations, it's reasonable to expect the Galaxy A55 to stay below the $500 mark. Design renders showcase the Galaxy A55 in three captivating colors: ice blue, lilac, and navy, with a familiar key island design and rounded corners. The display specs remain uncertain, but if Samsung continues with the A54's display, users can expect a satisfying experience with a speculated 6.5-inch FHD Plus display featuring a centered Infinity O front camera and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. Performance-wise, the Galaxy A55 is rumored to feature the latest Exynos 1480 processor, a promising upgrade from its predecessor. This new chip, paired with an unconventional GPU choice, could potentially support ray tracing in games, though this feature is yet to be confirmed. In terms of cameras, there might not be significant changes, but that's not necessarily bad news, considering the A54's impressive photo quality for its price. The device is expected to retain 8 GB of RAM, maintaining a balance between performance and efficiency. The battery is anticipated to support 25W fast charging, ensuring reliable usage, and connectivity features like Bluetooth 5.3 will provide a smooth user experience. The Galaxy A55 is set to launch with Android 14 and Samsung's One UI 6, promising a seamless and user-friendly experience with robust software support. So, gear up for the Galaxy A55 with its exciting features and enhancements, and stay tuned for the latest Android advancements.